Hi, good day, M6030. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Buena Siman Pasha. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have blessed three kids. That's 22 boy, 19 girl, and 5 boy. I'm high school graduate. Um, I'm Roman Catholic, and my about my experience working in abroad before. I work in Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 4 months. And my employers had two elderly, as was 75 and 70 years old. And also I experienced in UAE. I have five kids and two elderly. That was 10 years old, the children, 12 years old, the children, 7 years old children, and um, baby 1 year old, and 6 months old baby.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
All household chores are washing, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and also I'm willing to learn how to cook.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes,
It is okay to you also to take care of a baby.
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will call my. I I check the temperature, change diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything that you could, what will you do?
I call my employers, and I said to check the baby. She's not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong for my family needs, especially my three kids, and for their future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and above more.
So it is okay to you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will see the YouTube um, and recipe book.
Okay. And you could also ask your madam and sir if you got an employer in Hong Kong if they could teach you how to prepare, right? Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about share room with kids? It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets? If your employers have a pets on their house, it is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly, have them go to bed, to the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, please choose me to as your domestic helper, and I promise to you that I am hardworking, patient, loyal, and honest honest. And I promise to you that I finish my 2 years contract.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, can you also promise take good care of their children as your own
Yes, as my own.
and follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, I follow.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Buena. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.